Now, Alan's got a great tip for you on how to remove a toilet without the water getting all over everywhere. Pretty cool tip.
All right. We're going to take a lesson from history. And when I say a lesson from history, you remember the old toilets that had the tank up top? You pulled the chain, that's what flushed it? Well, we're going to work with gravity today. We've already got the water turned off at the source. All right. We're going to let all the water drain out of the tank, which means you want to hold the handle down the entire time. Now, here's the problem. We're getting ready to pull this toilet, but while we've got all the water out of the tank, there's still water in the bowl. So here's what we're going to do. I've got a bucket of water with me, and just like the old-timey toilets, we're going to pour it, lift up, and watch this. This is really cool. Pushes a lot of that water out. This toilet's ready to pull.